dancers!
She is LiWen, I am Tytus, this is DanceInsanity, and we are going to show you the Jive Basic. 5 different ways.
Jive Basic. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6.
The swing basic, we have swing away, come close. Now we're gonna go ahead and fall and catch. Fall and catch. So we're just, whoa, timber! Catch yourself, no problem. The kick step, we're gonna go ahead and lift that knee up, back, ball, change, lift the knee, kick, lift, close, lift, kick, lift, close.
The timing goes, and 1, 2, 3, close 4, 5, close 6.
It does go that way. The sailor shuffle, we have rock, replace, behind, side, side, behind, side, side.
And there, Tytus is giving me a really nice connection to make sure I don't chasse to my right.
We go back to our regular twist basic for rock, replace, over the head, triple step, and then we can just slide back down.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. Quick tip for this one, leader's right hand and follower's right hand are on top.
I'm the man they know. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm another woman's dream. Baby, you're lucky, have a man like me. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm another woman's dream. Baby, you're lucky, have a man like me. I'm a pretty woman lover, I'm another woman's dream.
That was Jive Basic, and 5 more ways to do it. How many other ways can you do it? Any other suggestions? Leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
So remember to subscribe to our channel, that way you can get all of our videos faster than we can shake a leg.
What's so cool about Jive is that you can just use this basic footwork, rock step, triple step, and do all kinds of fancy things with it without changing the footwork. You can do different arm positions with your partner. You can do swing styling. You can do twist styling. You can add kicks in place of a rock step. What? And in place of a chasse, you can also replace that with a kick. Yeah. Don't you agree, Tytus?
Yeah.
What were you up to back there? Making trouble?
Always.
Yes.
Cool.
I'm LiWen. This is Tytus.
From DanceInsanity, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Money.
Cabbage.
Delicious.
Can we just be consistent?
Think about these things.
Can we kick and close?
So good. The kick step. We're gonna go ahead and fuck.
And fuck?
Yes.
Seriously?